So we're removing the tile. We watched YouTube to figure out how to do it. And this works pretty good. We get them up in about some big chunks, some small chunks. My wife wanted to swing the hammer. So here we are. She's doing a really good job. She's already got some chunks out. We got a lot to go. So if you're changing the tile out and there's concrete board, you have to remove it, especially if you put it in hardwood floor. You can't do it over the top because it'll turn into powder when you try to chip it out, because we tried that first. So if it's a DIY, this is how you'll be doing it. Big long pieces of wood. These are about 3 feet, 2 feet, chunks of wedges. And then if you get it up so far, you just take a crowbar and pry it up some more. Enjoy.